What's going on, everybody? We're going to go ahead and apologize for how sweaty we are, but it's summertime in North Carolina, so
I got some explicit comments for how hot it is right now.
It's disrespectful hot out here. Sorry we took so long putting another video out, but
we got us some new toys. That's what we come to tell you.
Yeah, we came up with something we think y'all are really going to like. We got us some 250s. Yeah, after riding Matt's KO and getting to beat around on it a little bit, we fell in love with it, and I was like, I gotta get me one of these. I'm a 33-year-old man. I ain't got no business riding a pit bike.
We got a Xmoto. It's called a XD88. I put a 36mm Mikuni carburetor. I got a uni-filter, RK race chain. I rejetted the carburetor with dyno jet kit that I had in the garage. It's got a LED light bulb installed in it. Tires, which me and him both did the same thing. Took the cheap Chinese tires off of it and put the WIG Racing. Got the scoop tires. They're great for sand and mud.
They are. We got to test ride them bad boys this weekend. All right, what we have here is a 2020 EGL A16. I put Pro Taper grips on it. I had to put new perches and handles on it because they were broken when I got it. It was used. Just had to change the CDI box on it. Put a new RK racing chain on it. The WIG Racing tire. I swear by these things, they're so good. Mine did not come with a headlight. This is just a cheap kit that I got from Amazon, but I took the stock bulb out and replaced it with the LED equivalent of it. But you're probably gonna get sick of hearing us talk about these bikes, so John, you wanna go ride them?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go tear it up.
Nice.
I think he might need to change his pants.
Okay, so in my defense, I'm 33 years old and I've never rode anything bigger than a pit bike except for the KO. And I babied it because it won't mine. I gotta learn. The only way you're gonna learn is to screw up. Talk trash all you want. I ain't never done this before.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, we did take these bikes up and down the road. Don't do this because it's kind of frowned upon depending on where you live. We will be doing full reviews on both of these bikes in future videos. Even with the big scoop tires on the back of these bikes, they did really well on the pavement. The suspension felt good, they gripped pretty well. A little squirrely in turns, but that's just because of that rear tire. Other than that, the bikes are solid. John had just replaced the carburetor on his with a NEVER and was still trying to figure the jetting out. It was still running a little lean on the top end, wanted to spit and sputter, so to keep from damaging the motor and from getting the cops called, we decided to park them.
Anybody who is a denier of a Chinese dirt bike, shut your face. No, I don't know about you, John, but I love mine.
Yeah,
I mean,
more money for less bike before. So.
Yeah. His is all squeaky clean, and mine looks like it got dug out of a pond.
I usually don't endorse products, but SC1 is the reason my bike's clean.
I'll keep a link in the description for that one. We're gonna link all we're gonna link the tire, the headlight, the my Pro Taper grips. So we'll run through and I'll get a complete parts list and add links in the description. Hey, my neighbor's dogs. Say hi to America. Say hi to America. Anyway, no, they're not, you know, Hondas or Yamahas or Suzukis. They are what they are. They're Chinese knockoffs of those same exact bikes. But I mean, for the price point, you can't beat it. They make a billion of these things, so you can find the parts anywhere. You just got to know how to work on them, and that's with any dirt bike. I mean, have you ever owned anything that you didn't have to work on at some point?
No.
Okay.
One thing I'll point out. Look at these nice. Look how nice that is.
Just look at it.
Yeah, just look at it.
Yeah, I really did luck out on this one, and John did too. I'm not going to get into too much detail on them, but we did get really, really good deals on these bikes, especially for them being under a year old. I had never expected to own a 250 dirt bike anyway, especially a full size, and it's kind of embarrassing because my feet barely touch the ground on mine.
I have that problem with another bike I just got. I got a RMZ 450, and I cannot touch the ground. Short people problem.
It's short people problem. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. If I was like, haven't already, like and subscribe. I'm not hungry anymore. If you haven't already, you can like and subscribe. Make sure you pick up a t-shirt, hat, or hoodie from Stover Customs to help support the channel. And until next time, y'all get up, get out there,
And get after it.
yeah.